Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to lock Outlook mobile app with Fingerprint. So let's get started. So if you want to lock your Outlook with Fingerprint, then what you can do is just simply open up your Outlook application, and after opening up your Outlook application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the top left, and then tap on the gear icon which is on the bottom left, and after doing that just scroll down, and after scrolling down you should find the option which is app lock. Just tap on it and then turn it on. And after turning it on, now the fingerprint that you have set in your device will also be added in your Outlook. So what you can do is just simply close your Outlook, and after closing your Outlook, now if you just open up your Outlook application, you have to enter the fingerprint in your device. So you can also use the pin. So just tap on pin and you can also use the pin. So if you can't find this fingerprint option, it is because you have not added a fingerprint in your device. So what you can do is just simply go ahead and add a fingerprint, and after adding a fingerprint you should find that option. So just open up your Outlook and then enter the fingerprint. After entering the fingerprint you will successfully access your Outlook account. So that's it guys, this is how to lock Outlook mobile app with fingerprint. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.